Here we go, HobbyBox604 back with another group break. This is group break number 499. Ultimate Collection, 2 packs as a promo bonus. Here we go with Series 1. We have a jersey card, not bad for the Washington Capitals, Olaf Kolzig. Gold jersey for the Washington Capitals, Olaf Kolzig. And this one has a Shining Stars of Nazem Kadri for the Stinky Leafs. And our Contenders box.
Contenders?
Sorry, Ultimate Collection box. I've been saying Contenders a lot today, because everyone's doing Contenders. Empty. Oh, that's a super thin pack. Okay, no patch. That's our first card is for Colorado, 217 of 499 for the Colorado Avalanche, Matt Duchene. Our rookie is for this LA Kings, number 16 of 499, Lyndon Vey. Oh, nice hit for Detroit. 26 of 99. Case hit. Peter Mrazek. Very nice. Rookie autograph. 26 of 99 for the Detroit Red Wings. Peter Mrazek. Better than an Yzerman jersey, I guess, that you wanted. And the last one is for the Ottawa Senators, Ultimate Signatures, Corey Conacher. Horrible autograph. And a decoy. So not bad at all. I'll get that in a one touch for you. Very nice hit. $2 got you a Peter Mrazek out of 99. Beautiful hit. Congrats. I think that's yours, Nick, because you were excited. Thanks, everyone. And we'll be back shortly.